So this is my alarm clock, but what's the time? The time was there before. Where did it go? There it is. Wow, I didn't do anything. It just does that sometimes. It goes off like just blackness. It's 5:27. It's weird.